Okay, so here's the third video on the Hewlett-Packard printer. I hit the cancel in the last video and it didn't cancel, but it looks like it might have worked, so it thinks it's a LaserJet 2100 PCL6. Here's LaserJet 2100. Again, this is an old printer that's connected via an Ethernet cable to a Windows 10 PC running Windows 10. This PC does not have a parallel port. So if we look back here, it's a modern PC. There's no parallel port. We have the printer connected via that Ethernet cable. That white cable right there connects the printer. And to review what we did, this printer is on LAN 10.1.1.1. The printer IP is 10.1.1.200, and our internet around this place is coming off of Wi-Fi, so we could use that cable connection. Anyway, let's check let's print a test page, see if that will work. Sure enough, there goes the old junker printer. Printing as it always does. Okay, so what does this page look like? Let's see, that's not it. Microsoft, okay, Windows printer test page. Looks like the PCL6 works. From WinPrint. Talks about the printer files. Not all that interesting. Test page was set. Close. Finish. Okay, so what do we have here for printers? We have the new laser printer here. We can right click this and say set as default printer, which we should. Windows will stop managing your default printer. Why does that mean that? Will stop managing my printer. Weird. So what is my default printer? Don't know. What else can we do with this printer? We can properties. Looks like pretty standard stuff. Ports. You can see we're coming on the network here. Device settings. Okay, typical old HP stuff from the old days. Printing preferences. Okay, that's fine. That's like the old days. There's also a way we can set up a print queue that we can get this thing from the outside. I could have, say, a Mac print to this printer. I have to share it somehow. I haven't figured that out yet, how to do that. What if I set it as default printer? Well, let's not do that. Okay. Customize your printer. That's interesting. So, adjust print options. Customize your printer. What does this do? Same old item. So we're running 1200 DPI, device settings, PCL. I would like this thing to run so that I can print from other computers on my network. That's the next project. Anyway, the printer is basically working, so let's review what happened. So we installed the driver, and we also used the networking to use the cable to do this. And we used control panel. And we used the networking sharing center. So we set up the network here. And as you can see, we have two networks, a Wi-Fi for the internet outside. We have this public network for the Ethernet, which goes to the printer. And as you can see, there's no connectivity, but all we care about is talking to our printer. So we can go into properties here and we can review what we did. And under IP4 properties, we set the printer, we set this computer to be 10.1.1.1, and we're talking to the computer, or the printer. The printer is 10.1.1.200. And so to review how that works, we can ping this printer, make sure it's there. We're just going over a review now of how we did this. So with a command shell, with a PowerShell, we can say a ping 10.1.1.200, which is our printer on our Ethernet network. And we can say devices and printers, devices and printers. I don't want web results on this thing, so it's not going to give me what I want. Let's go back to control panel. There we go. I don't know why it couldn't find devices and printers, but it couldn't. And we'll review this printer now. It's over here. Properties. Ports. Anyway, there's our port. You can see our port is 10.1.1 to 200 right there. That's working over TCP/IP over the network cable. Again, we have a network cable coming off this computer. We got the white cable right there. That white cable with lights on down there. It's going over here to the old ancient Hewlett-Packard LaserJet 2100, and we have a jet direct card in the printer. And as you recall, we reset the IP address to 10.1.1.200 with telnet command. Okay? So after watching all these videos, I think you can get your old Hewlett-Packard printer to work on your nice new Windows 10 shiny PC. Have a great day, and see you later.